YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Say3, and as y'all can tell, it's just another day in Huntsville, man. I got the cars out and shit. Nothing new, you feel me? Mr. Bring the cars out, bring the cars out. And I'm at the time, place, and the location looking there. I got my Eva twin in this bitch, little damn shit.
Anytime we make a post, it's gonna look like this.
It's gonna look like this. It's just not getting started, you feel me?
Vamos, buddy. Vamos.
Yeah, Vin Diesel shit.
We do like real life.
Win. Vamos.
Like we do like real life, like GTA shit, and like IRL type shit.
It's like real life.
We go booty, you know, bloodshot in this bitch. You feel me? I got my Eva twin right here, you feel me? Like, fuck. Best color on the market. Ain't that right, twin? Best color in the market. That's what I'm talking about. Fuck your opinion. Fuck your opinion.
Hey, you see all that gray motherfuckers out here?
You said gray?
That shit. Ain't no red, only 2 reds out here.
We the best colors. Send it to YouTube.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Yeah, Abby. What's up, Abby?
Hey, you trying to your shit out, you ain't say subscribe and shit or nothing, like.
Okay, yeah, hey, how y'all doing? We back there with another video.
Subscribe to the motherfucking YouTube.
Don't forget to subscribe to the
Don't do
motherfucking
that.
YouTube.
Better like that, bitch.
Yeah, like it, share, all
What up,
that shit.
friend?
And don't forget to add They should be hearing the K. They should be hearing the K on this YouTube video as soon as it drops. So don't
That's me,
play.
yeah.
Yeah.
I fuck with y'all.
We trying to get rich on content.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Feel me? You got
No free promos.
Let's take a walk.
No free promos.
Oh, God. This color I it's alright, you feel me? It's alright. Ain't that though. But I do say, it be right here. It be right here
That's
though.
the fastest nigga on the block, bro. I don't care what you talking about. The fastest nigga.
I was gonna give him a copy, but this be right here, ear pressure though.
Hey, bro, I'm the fastest nigga. You know what I'm saying? Huh? You not racing anybody, sister?
Anyways, my little son I mean, I wouldn't even say no super shit about your shit. These the best cars out here whole time. This car, you feel me? I'm for it.
Go down the list, bro. Come on, you at the blue one, bro.
You know, the hardest shit's out here whole time. You know, fast shit. Super truck. Hey, hit that bitch one more time. Hey, he's smoking everybody out this bitch whole time. You feel me? He's smoking everybody out this bitch. You got fast shit over here.
We trying to find F in the freak that hoe.
He finna fuck around and hit a goddamn pole. Right now! I'm not sliding shit in here. Right now, nigga. Yeah. All that shit. Definitely want to hit somebody. I'm up, bro. But, you know, simple shit. You know, GTA everywhere. GTA Huntsville, GTA Nashville, GTA ATL, you name it. Your whole stay in the South, she took by all my niggas. I ain't gonna lie. Everybody passed around her. Then we got females with cars too. They on the way though. You feel me? They gonna make us and shit. You know? We ain't done no. Hold on, we ain't done. Show me something. Yeah, brother, yeah. Oh, hold on. He not in the car, y'all. Yeah. They be hard, twin. They be hard. He said, y'all niggas gotta hop in the car for that shit. I did it from the fucking key fob. You feel me? Yeah.
40 rolls dig.
40 roll dig. What you wanna do? He said he whooped me. So I need y'all picking up. What y'all think I should do with this shit, though? Cause I feel like it's time.
Yeah, this shit old and boring. You need to change it up. You starting to look like it.
I feel like I'm trying to blend in with this shit, ain't it? Oh God. I feel like it's time to like upgrade this bitch. Y'all let me know. I ain't gonna give y'all my idea, but I feel like it gotta be something new.
You gotta do some creative shit.
Or should I just do the big shit, but make it like bigger type shit? That's what I'm thinking. Like I feel like
you just want to tell it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
What Nike said, just do it. Look at that. They gonna rate that hoe again? Oh, yeah. Rate that motherfucker again. Rate that motherfucker. Boom!
That shit finna catch on fire, bitch.
On fire, son. I said, rate that bitch. She said,
Man, that bitch gon' fuck around, shoot a
hey, how shit louder than yours, though? How shit louder than yours? You gotta combat this bitch, I know it. This nigga feeling like, though. Everybody wanna be a big back of some old shit, so we're probably gonna do slide up to the top tight shit and then come back down to the bottom.
We go BTM camp,
BTM, yeah.
I had to go on part,
Yeah. What you talking about? My dogs, so what you talking about? What you finna do?
Man, I'm finna pull the plug on this bitch, do a burnout on this.
Burnout, whatever you do not toss this bitch. Learn from experience. Do not toss this bitch. I'm telling you right now, if you toss this bitch, we be flipping this bitch back over. Doing the flip on this bitch. All right. He said if you want to wrap this bitch around the pole, we gonna do that. Whoop-de-doo.
Whoop-de-doo.
Hey, as long as you wrap that bitch up when I leave.
They been warm, man. It kind of though. You feel me?
Shit, you might well just.
Why the fuse open? Who he pulling his fuse?
Yeah, you finna.
You heard what we been talking about. Tell him again.
For your all-wheel drive?
Yes, I'm trying to put this bitch in real.
Yeah. Is that underground on top? Okay, I know you're talking about. All right, man. Appreciate it, bro.
What's going on? For the second spot or nothing?
Yeah, the security was cool, you feel me? Yeah, where the hotel is type shit. Hey, that's real though, he ain't trying to kick us out though, that's some real shit, you feel me? No, man, like, I really deuced this my body. A real life GTA car meeting this bitch, fuck you talking about, nigga? Real life GTA car meeting this bitch, fuck you talking about, nigga? Like for real, man. Like for real. Like real life. Like for real type shit. Like for real type shit. Like in real life. In real life, Lil Dab. In real life. Yeah, she's in real life.
It's no more tunnels. If your car not loud, it's not loud out here.
You feel me? Okay. fun with that bit. Yeah. That boy having fun that bit. Fuck you talking about? Yeah. Real shit. Real shit. Hey, you gonna be my cameraman today or not, bro?
I got your bitch ass nigga. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
I hit that bitch a little bit.
He up to no fucking
Oh,
good.
he ain't playing no game.
Oh yeah. You
Don't
up?
even distract. Don't even distract him.
Oh, he up to no good. He up to no good.
Them flats I was telling you about, bro, a couple weeks ago.
Damn, boy, you on slick.
He wasn't out there for 5 minutes. And
Okay, then, nephew. All right, then, nephew. You said, what? You talking shit?
Nah, he can't keep that. He can't keep
shit.
that circle.
Go hold that bit for him there. Show him something.
Baby, I ain't finna pay for no time like y'all
I
got
feel
paid.
that. I feel that, Sister Cat. I feel that. That's real. That the security nigga said come over here and shit. That was real hell.
he gave
Why
y'all the
security?
open vicinity.
He really hell. I said, you gonna lead us over there? He said, nah, you know I'm on the clock right now. I can't really do that. Dude, 12 on the way. And see, we got Scats Tracks and Hellcats in this bitch. What you talking about? Takeover City, bro. I do this shit like for real. What the fuck? Hey, no fucking way. What's up? You good? Yeah, it's time to go. They ain't really time to go, but goddamn. Huh? Man, we got this bitch deep ahead. Got the
No, next spot.
next location.
Fuck that bitch
Going
up.
crazy.
I'm telling you.
Next location, we going crazy. Probably. Warehouse. Yeah. Hey.
They said take that shit.
Man, y'all see, man. Location number 3. Huh?
Do me a favor, park on this side. I'm gonna walk this pole.
He got 4 niggas in the wood though. Let's do it.
Yeah, Rusty, ain't he?
We gotta burn them. Let's try again. Bro, these bitches, I gotta burn these bitches out a little bit. sir.
Yes,
That's how
sir.
you got all my money's worth.
Yeah. Stop me.
There we go.
Man, look at these beautiful ass cars, bro. I tell you, that bitch right there, sexy. What the? Yo, we working, man. I'm cold as hell though, like real shit. Cold as hell. I'm back with the content, man. We're gonna start doing this shit more often. Y'all see, man, Mr. Break the Cars out. You know the fuck going on, bro. And then the police out this bitch. Smoke, man, he's scared here.
You ain't gotta leave. They ain't gonna arrest you.
Man. Hell yeah, man.
My tire was already like this.
Policia boss.
Police about it. Is it time to go?
Good content, bro.
Good, great content.
Great
bro.
content.
Great content. And the police from the come. Let's see what they talking about.
Can't get arrested. We changing a tire, nigga.
I should have changed them at home.
Yeah, because we keep on getting the same calls on you guys doing burnouts.
We want to hit a
What you
burnout.
mean?
No, that's already. That was already here.
These are the same cars we just got called on at Brick Street. So, with videos of y'all in it. So, please stop so we don't have to keep on coming out here. Please.
All right, I got you.
Thank you.
Well, YouTube, y'all got it, man. It's successful.
Hey.
That's a successful, you feel me?
Successful day.
Successful day. Like,
Great day.
this a great.
Hey,
And as soon as they leave, I'm
man, Betty nice as hell, bro.
Yeah, you feel me? You said what, cuz?
As soon as they leave, I'm sliding my shit.
Hey, Cam, that concludes it.
They ain't conclude shit yet. It's 7:30 Army of the year. To catch y'all, you feel me? Next week. Next week,
Everybody leave. We'll just stay put. They wouldn't be doing
they
shit.
scared. Y'all making a scene and shit leaving hell, you feel me?
We ain't gotta leave.
Like, comment, subscribe. If not, we're gonna keep recording. If not, y'all do that.
We're gonna beat your motherfucking ass.
Hey, you heard him,
We're gonna
shit.
beat you up for YouTube. We're gonna beat you up.
Beat you up.
Fuck that. We whoop y'all ass.
We gonna be all there, man. Y'all do that shit right now. Them folks. Them folks. Them folks. Them folks. Them folks. Folks, man, I'm trying to tell you, I bring them cars up for real. Look at them folks, bro. Hey, man, that's a great YouTube video. Hold up. Hey, the biggest, the largest, man. I be trying to put on for the city, man, you know. Some good vibes, some good content and shit, brother. Like, for real. Y'all see what's going on, man. Nobody getting hurt, nobody getting shot. No. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah,